Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Open Device Manager and make sure the wireless adapter is enabled. If disabled, right-click and enable. Next, press Windows key, type Services. MSC and verify WLAN autoconfig is running and set to automatic so Windows can manage networks. Plug in an Ethernet cable if needed to download drivers. Once done, you'll be ready to install or update drivers, restart networking components, and proceed into targeted fixes without guessing what's missing. Now focus on the complex middle steps. Use the wired connection to download the correct Windows 7 driver from the adapter or laptop maker, match model, and 32/64-bit. In Device Manager, uninstall the wireless adapter and choose Delete Driver Software for this device if present. Restart the PC to let Windows redetect hardware, then install the downloaded driver. Run the built-in network troubleshooter and execute netch int IP reset and netch winsock reset to clear stack issues. Reboot after these commands. Finish by confirming the wireless list appears. Click Network icon, view available networks, and connect to your SSID using the correct security key. Choose to save the profile. If networks don't show, power cycle the router and modem, enable SSID broadcast, and switch wireless channel to avoid interference. Make sure wireless service stayed running. If issues persist, test with a USB Wi-Fi adapter or another device. This isolates adapter hardware. That single test is the fastest troubleshooting tip to determine if Windows or the radio is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.